Welcome back to Brotuned, guys. Today we're shooting my TM22, and let's see what range we're at. (101 yards). All right, let's see how good this thing shoots. SK rifle match. It's the end of the brick. We're just burning her up now. Having a good time shooting today. Trying to get a few rifles out, and the TM22 hasn't been used in a while, so it's time to bring this guy back out. All right, let's see what we can do. Got the chronograph running. Some chronograph data as well. All right, here we go. And I'm gonna hold dead center on that 5x5 plate. Perfect. See if it's repeatable now. Not bad at all. Come down one. And let's shoot a small one just to the right of that. Right side. That was left edge. Let's go farthest target to the right, a little tiny one. I think it was very bottom edge of it. There we go. Good clean hit. And it's out of there. Now let's get a couple on the bearing race. That's 2 inches in diameter on the inside. And that's an empty mag. All right. I'll do the one right beside it. I think it's 2x2 or something. Oh, it's gone. We'll do the inner race again. And let's rapid fire the big target. There we go. As fast as I could shoot this one. And we didn't get half of those on the chronograph. That's fine. It's probably confused. Okay. Small target, middle of the 3 there. Good clean hit. Now we'll shoot that one that's on with that little weird hook. Pretty good. Hold dead center on that 3x6 tall one. And we have 10 more rounds left, and that's it for this one. Another just fun little playing video. Probably put these up in the middle of the week at some point. Okay, the small target that's still hanging. No problem. Yeah, so this rifle's pretty accurate. Let's see if I can knock down that 2x2 that's beside on the left side of that bearing race one. See if I can knock it down. Awesome. And now we can shoot it again. Going for center hold. A little low and right, but same target. And same impact. Same hold again. Yeah, not bad. I guess I could try to knock the other one down. Here we go. No, I don't think that's going down. Try again, one more. No. Bearing race inside. Here we go. And that's it. Out of SK rifle match. So hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. See y'all next week. Bye for now.